Hello, everyone. Nice to see you again. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen a lion and a mouse? If yes, where did you see them? Maybe you see a lion in a zoo and a mouse in your house, right? Today, we'll read and understand a very interesting story about these two animals. And after that, you will know the main parts of a story and how to analyze it. Okay, let's begin. The name of the story is The Lion and the Mouse. Let me read it one time for you. One day, a great lion lay asleep in the sunshine. A little mouse ran across his paw and woke him up. The great lion grabbed the little mouse and lifted him up by his tail. The little mouse cried, "Oh, please let me go, lion. Someday I may help you." The lion laughed at the thought that the little mouse could be of any use to him, but he was a good-natured lion and set the mouse free. Not long after the lion was caught in the net, he tugged and pulled with all his might, but the ropes were too strong. Then he roared loudly. The little mouse heard him and ran to the spot where the lion was stuck. "Be still, dear lion, and I will set you free. I will chew on the ropes until they break." With his sharp little teeth, the mouse cut the ropes, and the lion came out of the net. "You laughed at me once," said the mouse. "You thought I was too little to help you. But see, a tiny little mouse can do great things." From that day on, the lion respected the animals smaller than him and kept his kind-hearted ways whenever he saw an animal in need. Now I will explain some difficult vocabularies to you. The first one is asleep. It means to sleep. Paw is the foot of some animals like tiger, wolf, or lion, and so on. The next word is to grab. It means to hold something with your hand, and in this case, with your paw. The next word is good-natured. It means kind and friendly. To tug means to pull something hard several times. Still is an adjective. It means calm and not moving. The next word is tiny. It means super small. The last word is kind-hearted. It means kind and generous. And now you and I will analyze the story. I will ask you the questions and I will pause a little bit for you to think about the answer. Then I'll give you my answer, okay? Who are the characters? The lion and the mouse. Where are they living? Well, from the picture, we can guess that maybe they live in a forest. It's the place where there's a lot of animals and a lot of trees. At first, what happened to the lion? He was sleeping, and then a mouse ran across his paw and woke him up. What was the problem to the mouse? The lion grabbed the mouse and lifted him up, but the mouse asked the lion to let him go. Why did the lion let the mouse go? Because he was a good-natured lion. Then, what was the problem to the lion? He was caught in the net and tried to let go, but the ropes were strong. How could the lion escape? The mouse got the ropes by his teeth. What was the end of the story? From that day on, the lion respected other animals and helped animals in need. So, from the analysis of the story, what can you draw from it? Here's the format of a story. We have characters, and in the story, we have the lion and the mouse. We have the place, and in this case, the story happened in the forest with a lot of trees and flowers and animals. We also have time, and the story happened in the past because it was written in the past tense. We also have content. It includes the opening, the problem and solution, and the end. Now, when you analyze a story, you can use WH questions. Who are characters? Where and when does the story happen? What are the problem and solution? Why and how does the event happen? And what can we learn from the story? We'll talk about the lesson learned later. So, what's the lesson you learned from the story? Think about it. In the next class, I will ask you that question and you'll give me the answer about what you learned from the story and I'll give you my feedback. Okay? See you next time. Bye bye.